Have you ever wondered why some people never seem stressed about money? Why they travel the world without worrying about bills and retire decades earlier than the rest of us? It's not luck, inheritance, or insider connections. There's a hidden framework, the secret mindset, and actionable steps that the top 1% use to escape the rat race, and most people never even realize it exists. By the end of this video, you'll not only see how the richest structure their life, but also the exact steps you can take to create a life where money works for you, instead of you working for money. Stick around because the last point will shock you. It's something the majority of millionaires quietly do every single day. If you're hungry for success and eager to learn, hit that subscribe button. We're here to share the secrets and strategies to accelerate your journey. On. Think in systems, not salaries. Most people live paycheck to paycheck. They see their salary as the limit of what they can earn. But here's a little-known fact. The top 1% rarely rely on a single income stream. They think in systems, mechanisms that generate cash while they sleep. According to research from the World Wealth Report, 65% of millionaires have at least 3 distinct sources of income, from dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or automated digital businesses. Systems remove dependency. When you rely only on your job, a layoff or even a minor economic downturn can destroy your life. Most people make the mistake of investing in things they don't understand or saving money passively in low-interest accounts. Start small. Automate a system that earns $200–500 a month without your intervention. Scale it. Reinvest profits to expand. Over a decade, what seems minor compounds into a life-changing cash flow. There's a psychological twist the 1% use to scale these systems faster than anyone else, and it has nothing to do with working harder. You'll see that in point 3. Number 2, use money as a tool, not a trophy. Here's a truth most people don't realize. Money is not a goal, it's a tool. Yet the majority of people treat it like a status symbol. Every dollar spent to impress others is a dollar that could have been invested to grow exponentially. Most people mistake a flashy lifestyle for wealth. They buy luxury cars, expensive gadgets, or designer labels and feel successful for a moment, only to remain stuck financially. Instead, focus on utility over vanity. Ask yourself, will this purchase help me generate more wealth or freedom? If the answer is no, skip it. The top 1% avoid lifestyle inflation, redirecting that money into high-yield dividend stocks, index funds, or small equity stakes in emerging businesses. Rewire your mindset. Every dollar is a soldier. Deploy it to fight for financial independence, not for applause. Later in this video, I'll reveal the exact hidden investment moves millionaires use that most people don't even know exist. Number 3. Leverage the psychology of delayed gratification. Here's a cultural insight that's rarely talked about. The wealthiest people in the world are masters of delayed gratification, but they don't just wait. They strategically delay in ways that maximize results. Consider someone who wants to buy a $50,000 car in 3 years. Instead of financing immediately, they invest $15,000 now in dividend stocks and high-yield ETFs, which could grow to $21,000 in 3 years, even before they buy the car. Most people miss this opportunity because they view saving as restriction rather than a tool for acceleration. Ask yourself, am I delaying gratification randomly, or am I strategically using it to create leverage? Answer honestly. Most who fail are delaying in fear, not in strategy. Structure delays with measurable outcomes. Visualize the exponential benefit, not just the immediate inconvenience. Treat each delayed dollar as an active investment in your future freedom. Point 4. Invisible investments that nobody talks about. When most people hear investments, they think of stocks, bonds, or real estate. But the top 1% quietly build wealth with invisible investments. Small, often overlooked assets that quietly compound over time. This includes micro-equity stakes in startups, royalty streams from creative work, or digital platforms with automated income. In Japan, many small entrepreneurs buy stakes in niche businesses or intellectual property instead of flashy assets, creating streams of invisible income. Why does this matter? Because these assets are not dependent on a single paycheck or market hype. They grow quietly in the background, compounding value for decades. Instead, look for assets that generate invisible income streams. Even a $1,000 stake in a digital content platform or a small dividend-paying ETF can yield $50 or $100 per month, money that grows while you sleep. Ask yourself, what am I owning today that could pay me for years even if I never touch it? In the next point, we'll explore how top earners leverage something even more powerful than money itself, their network, to accelerate wealth exponentially. Number 5. Network effects, the hidden multiplier. One factor that sets the 1% apart is how they use relationships. They don't just network, they leverage network effects, connections that multiply opportunity and income automatically. According to a study by LinkedIn, 80% of high-income individuals attribute part of their success to strategic relationships, mentorship, or joint ventures. Your social capital can open doors to investment opportunities, partnerships, and insider knowledge that others pay thousands or even millions to access. Most people fail here because they focus on transactional relationships rather than creating value-driven connections. They attend networking events but don't follow up or invest in meaningful relationships. Think of your network as a portfolio. It requires constant investment. Surround yourself with people who already live the life you want. Habits and insights are contagious. Use strategic collaborations to unlock unseen income streams or business ventures. Number 6. The financial identity shift. Here's a psychological insight. Most people identify as employees or consumers. This limits their ability to see opportunities and creates an unconscious cap on income. The 1% shift their identity. They think, act, and make decisions as investors first, employees second. Your identity shapes your behavior. Studies in behavioral finance show that individuals who see themselves as investors take bigger, smarter risks and avoid lifestyle inflation. Most people make the mistake of buying liabilities disguised as assets, thinking it's wealth building. Instead, rewire your identity. Ask yourself, am I spending to appear rich, or am I allocating to grow my wealth and freedom? This small mental shift changes every decision, from investing in stocks or ETFs to negotiating salaries or exploring side hustles. Number 7. Compound influence, the secret multiplier. The top 1% don't just rely on money compounding. They understand that influence, knowledge, and connections compound even faster. A well-timed book recommendation, a shared research note, or a piece of strategic advice can generate opportunities worth tens of thousands. Treat every skill, insight, or relationship as an investment. Ask, how can this knowledge grow my financial freedom? Even dedicating 30 minutes a day to understanding equities, dividend-paying ETFs, or portfolio diversification can generate opportunities worth hundreds of thousands in the long term. Knowledge compounding is faster than money compounding when applied strategically. Influence multiplies opportunities without extra work. Focus on creating invisible leverage in every area of life: finance, relationships, and personal growth. The next section will reveal the final and most powerful point, a strategy so counterintuitive that it explains why most people never escape the rat race, no matter how hard they work. Number 8. Portfolio of freedom, the 1% blueprint. Here's the shocking truth. Escaping the rat race doesn't require an 8-figure salary. It requires a portfolio structured to create consistent, passive cash flow. Top earners combine equity growth, dividend income, rental properties, bonds, and digital assets in a way that covers living expenses before they touch a paycheck. Structure your portfolio with a freedom-first mindset. Allocate for passive income first, dividend-paying ETFs, monthly dividend stocks, rental property cash flows. Then allocate for growth, index funds, REITs, or small equity stakes. Ask yourself, could my portfolio cover 100% of my life expenses today? Imagine waking up without alarm clocks, spending time on projects you love, and having money flowing into your life while you focus on growth, relationships, or travel. This isn't fantasy. It's reality for those who implement the secret 1% framework. Start today. Build systems. Invest in invisible streams. Rewire your identity. Let influence and knowledge compound. Create a portfolio that pays you first. In 5 years, you could look back and realize that the life you dreamed of wasn't luck. It was intentional, repeatable, and completely within your control. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, Like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Now, if you want to know about 8 sacrifices the top 1% made to become wealthy, then watch this video. I'll see you there.